Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, fellow Gambians. I'm Obe Kontong Alto di Malanal Konton di Mala. Ning Tenelunga Sumanda. Yo, aduntam koto nyawo nyabarin ko sina prunim bading Gambian ko liana ning wadi sutu ning kacha soto. I believe it is going to be very, very important for I discourse. This is about the draft constitution of Miyalonko, the Barrow draft constitution. We learned that today is going to be the first reading at the National Assembly, which is very important. And we have been hearing from different people, different politicians, what their stance are. Yes, Gambia, we need a new constitution. We all know that after the 2016 election, we had a draft constitution of 2020. That draft constitution of 2020 was rejected at the National Assembly by the NPP parliamentarians. The rejection came only because they said it has discriminated Adama Barrow. We all know that in that they call it retroactive clauses that has marginalized Adama Barrow, so they said they are going to reject it. And then the NPP NAMS rejected it. So NPP went to their bureau in Brikama to celebrate it there, that they have killed that draft constitution. The draft constitution that was, when preparing that draft constitution, they went around all over the world, wherever Gambians are, to ask Gambians to give their consent, what they think, what would they like, what kind of constitution they want Gambia to have. So Gambians in Gambia, Gambians in abroad, has all put in their minds, and then the money invested in it was 116 million. It is more than 116 million anyway, but this is what calculatively they are telling us. So they rejected it. We have seen the attitude of some of the National Assembly members, even the nominated members, because the nominated members were defending Adama Barrow. We have seen Majam Kosamsa throwing that, and then some of them even they were saying that this is a copy and paste from Kenya. So that draft constitution is now there. They said it cannot come back. This is why the cabinet, Adama Barrow and his cabinet went and then sit down, and then they said they prepare a draft constitution, and then they want this constitution to rule the Gambia. Okay. Nobody was contacted. The stakeholders were not contacted, like the politicians, the lawyer associations, the Human Rights Commission. Nobody was consulted. It's only the cabinet, the ministers prepared that. And we have seen how much the criminal justice minister, because that man, he has no ethics, how he is defending that draft constitution of Barrow 2024, so that Gambians could accept that by fooling us that if they accepted that, yes, there are some clauses they could be amended. Let me tell you, do we understand the procedures of the National Assembly first? Even Khalifa is talking about that. Yes, let them just bring it from the first reading to the second reading. Maybe there could be some amendments. And Khalifa knows very well. Well, I do not want to go to Khalifa. What I want to tell my fellow Gambians is that the National Assembly works like this. If there are some clauses which are entrenched clauses that have to go through a referendum, but whatever is not entrenched clauses could be changed by the National Assembly members. And how would they change that? It will be based on the majority, if the majority accepted it. We all know the National Assembly we have. We all know. We all know the type of National Assembly we have and the MPs inside that National Assembly. We all know. So let us not be a fool here. I've been saying this before. Let us engage our National Assembly members. Let us talk to them. We have seen what Honorable Yahya Menteng Sanyang have done. I don't know whether other National Assembly members have done the same thing. I don't know, but I haven't seen it. But what Yahya have done has motivated me. Yahya Menteng Sanyang has met with his constituency people to discuss about the draft constitution. And then what the constituency people told him that we are not in for this 2024, so reject it in totality, which was very good. But I haven't seen other National Assembly members doing it. But if we go to the party line now, United Democratic Party, we know the stand of PDOIS already. We know the stand of NPP. We know the stand of UDP. Because UDP is saying that we are not accepting the 2024 draft. We want the 2020 draft to come back. If there would be an amendment, that they could amend the 2020 draft. But the 2020 draft, the UDP has totally rejected that. So, but now, we have our names there. What are they going to do for this first reading to go to the second reading? Even if it goes to the second reading, doesn't mean that it is the constitution. But what the Gambians will prefer, there are more important issues for our National Assembly to discuss than to waste their time on this draft constitution. It is better this draft constitution to be rejected from the first reading. But we all know that the majority of the National Assembly is NPP. And DOI is going to support it to go to second reading. APRC Noto Alliance is going to support it, maybe to go to second reading, because now APRC Noto Alliance is only 3 members now. The 2 members, Jammeh has sacked Honorable Baji, and then Amikoli has defected to NPP. So, we all know that Amikoli will be part of NPP now. So, whether the APRC Noto Alliance would like to defend the Yahya Jammeh Constitution of 1997, we don't know. But the issue is that is not even important, because there are only 3 people now. The NPP is going to massively vote for this draft constitution to go. And we all know the flamboyant life in that National Assembly. Yes, traveling is part of their job. But if important things are coming like this, I think it is better for them to cancel all their travels and then concentrate on the Gambians, because this is very important to the Gambian people. Very, very important. A country, there is no constitution in a country that is so unique that the whole country people will have to accept it. It is not Quran. Quran is the perfect book. There could be amendments. But 2020 draft constitution, many Gambians see themselves in that constitution, but not the 2024 draft constitution. Look, the 2024 draft constitution, if we accepted that, that is to say, we accepted for thieves to rule us without scrutiny. Thieves, for robbers to rule us without scrutiny. For criminals to rule us without scrutiny. So we are the one legalizing it. Are you people on board? Are you people on board? So I know many people might say, oh, it is too late. But after this today, let us politely engage our NAMs. Even if we are from, let's say, in a constituency that NPP MP is the one who is overseeing you people there, please engage him or her. Don't say, it's NPP, I will not engage her. Don't do that. Engage him or her. You know, the reason of engaging him or her, no condition is permanent. Today is NPP government. Tomorrow nobody knows. They might seek our hand, another position. If they rejected whatever you are saying, but they are only looking into the interest of whatever the Barrow and his people are saying, then tomorrow you can tell them, no, I don't think you are the right person for this position because you have disappointed us. You can bring references. You can bring in references. So what I want to ask from my people is that let everyone pick your phone, engage your National Assembly members. Today is a very important day. Yo, badingolu, nlafita min fola leja wolom nyinti ko mbenga lon ko bi fana mulun kuma balati Gambia ye. Bi fana mulun kuma balati. Yes, greeting my brother. Because bilomu the first reading of the 2024 draft constitutional. Draft constitutional mi alonko barona la ministalu wolde damma sita imam momo dablandije imam political party leader solu dablandije imam the lawyer association imam wol dablandije imam gambianol dablandije human right dama bulaje fewne dama bulaje barona la ministal damma la sita ko ntelde na fulo jama nkawole sunya nga banku dingul la kenolu tey bulule nka make sure ko badarlo wolom corruption ni kuria siata nyim banku ka andum nim mam fan sansan nim botaje sama isen sambano kitiola so sa ye muneke ye fenda da wo constitution o kono e konyo e ko nintel botani office oto mo man sembe soto kandela ku korosi wala nyanta kake Gambia. Gambian ka dinjumale be lola ko ite be lafilale la ite fangola korda kono e marawa nyama ini ala nin kila tema bari kal nene minna wolom nyinti ko ni ajen teleman son 2020 drafola hay ko kewni muso kewni kesi futuno le musune ko wonten toñati de wo man traw constitution o kono de ikali nene wala tina minul fanale o constitutional draft e nyanta nala le no e fanali yeta ya defend ya ita ni molla telel ni dulal to ko hani député o dol kam min fo wo manke toñaati because député o like Samba Diallo ate ko ha wolle ma tala daliloti ha ka fo ko kewnin kew wote toñaati hani killing Gambia ka jumala be sonna ka sonna député bunto ka fo mole ko kewnin kew nyanda ka futulo wol fa mu fenneti mi yalon ko se wol ya fasino molla fonko tole Gambia ka te sonna wala bari kana molu nene so ntebe min fola na fellow Gambia no le jang wolo nyenti ko momo ya lonko ila député o dukare bi felenti bilo e bita e ba ko diamula bi asekeno force reading wo be tambilale because munati na be tambila NPP député o le siata je andu ni ya tambindi fana woma kinandi ko ye fonko nyin tale wala woma tinandi la ko constitution o nyin acceptable hani first reading be kala second reading be kala third reading fana ka kele ni wo be ketalomu kanata député bu famo sinasi ya ko jube ibe mil bondila je be mil kala je bari bondiro nin kero kake je nyaadile na politician o dolu e ben nene ka wolela e kan nene wolela wo bondiro nin kero kake nyaadile fendolu bije wol fudita nyamin ni wobe bondila walla be kala je banko bele kata referendum wala ye so wala ye balanga bari dolu beje banko be bu ka wo discourse de député bungo damma bulu wulindo min siata andum be ngalon ko NPP la siata NPP bije NRP bije dolu beje ko etel mu independent let bari ngalon ko wol be mu NPP lati APRC Noto Alliance jama eni NPP katra kulunkelin fonyi foy be afale fawle ko ka fintinam banta ka fo mon le ko jamera constitution on be wala defend bar nata ta carte fayoto ya fay NPP anu sain APRC Noto Alliance député saba le be buru député saba bar nka wala dia mu nyaal be je janni ila kol ka sutia NPP lela dan any oppositional so ndebe min fola moli hani ya rela député o mu NPP député walati akumandi ya dia mai hani ya ko itela député o ko do mai sam ila député o mu NPP député walati akumandi ya dia mai pour sama kamalo because sama sini asina sula no fen fana nal bulu nole asina sula no fen nal bulu nole ko take ay sa fay ko hani ite man na fa soton tele because ite ni te be pala soto ite mi mol miliete si palaso de ite ke kodi wollale ite ka tara palaso mim itela santon ko comme président ite ka woleje ye kodi jamala so ndel malla ke ite kenna jamala office to kotake nse o fono ay so alanga na député ol engage hormone mbunya ko mbe ngaaje janne ye honorable Yaya Menteng Sanyang ay muneke ate mansi kata ka fo ko mbembat la ni dara député bu nga sonala wala nkana sonala hani ako jamale carte o fainte the voters. I will go back to those voters, ask for their consent about the draft constitution. Since aye kachandi wo draft o nyinna mulle beje hani ata ma be foy bari kol min lalon ko bengalon ko kumayata je aye o tala ya foy bira e o fo woli foy pareta wol nata je ko hani ntelude ni ata ibentel represent ka ntel laftale barola draft constitution of 2024 ya faynya mo kono ya 2020 murundi na so ya mente mo selano wala ko ni wo tata wo ba fala ala mole mim fay wo be wala kela barsa na nyin député doludu malum fay sa kede mo kane blame malum fayake foy make bar ni make ila patio lotale wala mu UDP ko ntelude manson hani tondo nabota 2020 draft of bala nta sonna la lafita 2020 draft le muruna ale nyindo 2024 way tay ay muru baroya anala dimbaya eta ya tala nyoten ndella hayite oto na hajo hayite oto So Gambian ko be da o da dukare almanna telefono cika alankana fase yaje Gambia nyimman sakunda lafta minna wolom nyinti ko kan nyorindi nga nyori na foko nyimman sakunda fa na fatal nga nyori kuola den nindel nyor ni ake luat o luat bina murula molka mona bi e mal loi sambana ko nimi ye president on neng mo ma nyanka president on nimi ye député on ne mo ma nyanka député on ne nimi ye ministre ne mo ma nyanka ministre ne nimi ye mansa kunda do kulal ne mo ma nyanna kay neng nendiro is supposed to be out of the equation o da ma nyanna tarla ko bari nendiro nyin define ta nyaadile muna mun nendiroti bawo italu ni minister kan telu neng president kan telu neng ako bari mo kana ijo itella because kana kodo sunya ka bankola kodo be badar nendire tambira wala ba nendir man tambi wala bari ko itete fenkela oto fankalo e ka fo mo ha corruption o ka fine momo tata yela telefono dete ye mo kumanda tola ya neng mo manya no mari fasala anyanta talale ay talal ay loi face bar munom nendiroti bar fo nendiro nyanta danda man sakunda do kulal sa nimi almamo nendu nimi alkalol nendu nimi yete mari la alfalil nendu nimi opposition leader nendu opposition ol wolle kana ke minister ni fonkolti president oti bari wol dati je ito because ye muneke nendiroti e ko batunye silande ya honorable Ami Bangura nge konton nka chairman konton nyeje bag e ko batunye silandi because nkana carte fay sangole kono ni kumabe kumato ni koy ba fola mole do mba fola ko nendirolo isite mari la time of BWS police I would not support anybody pour ye money ndede mo fa sala won par munom nendiro ti say nendiro Gambia italie nendiro define nyaadi le na loi kono ye nendiro define yaade Gambia mol bine fonyola le because Gambia been ruling party for opposition a killing because munat nan ka be killing ntamo oppositional but oppositional mantrantelo oppositional ma ko e kan bi Gambia felende Gambia dingol buka ID card o soto bari Gambia government wulita itata murtani ikoy ID card le da Gambia dinguleje wol ikay kata da mili wol fangol findite ko intelman sula ID card ola nsula ta minna wala mu ko mbe sila nyim bankun kan nyami wala mu ila resident permit ibe o topoto no la je nyaadile la vitamin sakunda na ma koy wolato man sakunda lafta nyina la baro government lafta be nga discourage le nga nyori so wala atinan telu ala kan de mano nka kore chodo mfana alka sile nka fum fa nko ya mran tem fonyo la ba ani abe manke kilinde Abdou Diouf abe manke kilinde ni yal ninka ofo hadamadi alay hadamadi da ayanke different people let mbela wala na hakilo di mbela mkamira no mfaye abe manke kilinde nimbe ko abe killing fo ya jamme bi ngamran kasila ngafa at least barol fisiata ya jamme because ya jamme wokamol le time ye mol kunkem buso ko ne yen kamol kat but baro is killing us without using any abusive mean. Baro atakam fale internally. You understand? So mol manke kilindi. Until we will get there. Bi dunia be felendi, dunia be leka sapu fenkela. Ibrahima Tarawale of Burkina Faso. Why? For Ibrahima Tarawale ajita nan sangole santo. Manji nan sango santo. So Gambia fana politician ol bejele minuli alonko wol meta politiko kono bari meta kadiamu mole mbukela kumolu moy andum bengela attitude lon ne monene mela track record oje ka foko nene man sakunda la fenne sunya walla nene man sakunda la fenne kalabantea bari molu man tara ke danku because ye muneke sikuo beje ye mo ye sio kong ya mari kong imarizin sote ma mari lom ferem. So Gambia no nte lakko mu anyano le bente lakko ko na nim fan jawya anim fan jawya anim kala muta baliya e kalon ko billahi ini Gambian jama ka tara dia mola labamo ite fan kala fle dia mo nyin ay kuntu because munom ite ka min ite ka tara ite na ka tara min kacha kan anate ka finti dami o ka ke sango nim bankolet anu Gambia no ya fanke ko atele ala lo femo be di camera ko ala konton mo Gambia leti nindi amra dron yalon ala ko ten yalon ala ala la yakeje you know well don't know time is all so mimbije wolom nyindiko we have to be responsible and nyantala ngamira out of the box bi Gambia no be felende he adam warobe sila do kola adam warobe fonkola par silol milka doku kodo ka soto nyaadile is the main question here julolomba sorolomba sila sifa nyaadile ka doku silol ka doku fo ade completed o sila doku ila audit report o ale monene match but we are all dancing bafolo ko no silo kumayatale mo be alon ko silo is very important and Gambia ya need le bar fo Gambia na hajo be musilo le tiba munat na tem fanyini kala munati na nyinul ilafta base la basically on infrastructure le come back ima molla health ima care molla education ima care ngamira science and university student o dole ila university student o ila faculty science faculty mol ko bita demonstration ola because of ye fengo yele rek just by name amanna fa fango soto wol sulata jorangol milla wol tije fentije yaji so fonga hakilolo tu baake nga nyo konante ya ni jawya boninda mawlu tema mansakunda mimbije bi albetulo ya mwele ministal fonka fo ministal lota ya fa ko nibe NPP de ikanna fale soto je because ika korda soto ika motolu soto ika kodo soto nibe mansakunda ministal lo demba sabal ya fo jalamba ako mole ko altel be sir njal ka baro fasa altel man na faso milko ibotan NPP le woli na faso do baro kordal dilay dulal dilay kenya sin dulal dila pour la balu dulal ni ko bar altel do so obviously it's like scratch my back and I scratch your back but the taxpayers all they are left behind wo man sakunda kilimo yaje ni yaje ko opposition o man tram ma koy kan Murtani felenti ID card o di wala Gambia dinjel be Murtani ya ID card di min Gambian ka jumale yalo Gambian ka dinjel be Gabon Gambian ka dinjel be Congo Gambian ka dinjel be Togo je Gambia fawo mi mu Gambia ti Gambia dingul ma ID card o soto Gambia nyil kana wuli ikoy kata mole Gambia e banta kata ka ID card nin ka ID card o di wala albea mo science ay bota ID card dio min na Murtani albe Murtani ko la kumbo ka mo el tapale yal nin ko mil ketaje Gambianol felenti bungo janite fe Libya just recently ali Gambia man sakunda mo le fa yo la kumo ale Gambia man sakunda mo le fa yo la kumo fu ban nyimbanko mbele tamo nada data mbele which wala be diala mbe barna atinyata mbele de which is wobe riba caution min cause la Gambian kole abekela masi boleti alinkana som mo dantan yenta yem fudi yen dinko sin yen keje alinkana som ala alnga jube roke nga korosir lati nga ñinyo sabolo ni ñim fonko bula man sakunda min be bula man taran samba ku kan nga election iyale bayndi ali nga oppositionolu alintel ngatu kelola ndamawlu mbe ñoo sabala mba fola ko kari bama manke mandin kati ate enta londi la mallala ni nga londi abe ñine kela kari mu fuloleti kari mu yolalti kari mu surwaleti ni wala ben nafala mbalo nare ntel be ñoo sabola de especially in UDP ntel be ñoo sabola fo dol ka bula dol la UDP dingul ika UDP dingo jube abe doku kendo le ka bulale ka nen ni nga fo ko ha ka bula kar la le kar buka kar la fonko sia kar buka kar fenkete ha dunta jana boda alingam fangolu jube ni lafita pour baro easy right soto minul ka mira alka o evil miro min soto alba fola ko ha mbe prepare le for 2031 itmari la interest oka 2026 ni baro na la mol tambita wala mbe ku jala Gambia nene ta jala dunia kono dulatu ite be mira la 2031 pour ite mari ko la intereso min bebe keri ngalon ne de min bebe ke altentel baful la jantel le alke official to ndelle al beke official to o mio bafulo te kala jang we have to mba jube lale nin keta kilingoto ni mal la fi kake kilinde ta it's up to you ta woman kin la problem di you can go bon del lafta kilimba ya kilingola la barka mo forcer fanan ka londi forcer mbe karle kala je e kam mim fo duma wala mo nyinti ko ngalon na te gagner la barin sem prepare 2031 mun fanjaw yalo mu nyinti nyinke bale kelo min beke nyinke bale nyim patio londi sa imbe sanji tansa bale walinka nyinke balu hani yatara ko ibe man agri kuolula bari nga jele ka ko samba nyokan hormone mbunyala konola bari ntelena nan sain palasin ding mbe habula mbe nyo tinyala mbe nyo doyala ntel mili alon ko ntel nyanta nyo mutala imagine niaje manza kundana la mulika sembo soton kan because ya lon ko opposition olu wolte kamben mim wala problem oti wala nyindi ko ite sonna mi mbenga lon opposition jumale warata bari ya lon ko opposition ol dolte sonna wala kula so be min kala wala koto ka fuko ngo al carte o fandi barola fan wala fisiata milena because opposition doli e daele la kanate bul kullo kono kaytandi ko nin sonta UDP e marajang nde nyimbam ko soto lebul bari sila ni UDP e mara ni ba akendo ke kandu ni ma kendo ke people like me mbe bola jele ni ma kendo ke ka fuko dagoro UDP le mararol e man nga mim fo e man tara wala nde musa bola jele andu moje lebe pare la ka boje sombe bondi la jele nga option do fana njube barakalo ka fale ko nini le banko marajang ibe tarajanne sanji jama alama ala yoke bari ni ala be o fana kala alama yu banko molbe natarim minna UDP okay mun na problem o alinga damolu ngam fangolu jube ni man sakunda ka nyine use mol kan as an advantage, a very serious advantage. Ikanyine ke mol la manyana sonala la gambela ko mbala fale imagine sign sunyaro min keta ko dol mutata bile tunkara ye feroke ha National Assembly pour kana siya ko fa because of man sakundale dabi nga lambala sa ho moy la be wurla ako ni ko 1,200,000,000 dollars wole filita Mansakunda ako he wo mo ko di jama balete fo nyino mu molla wati folot ka itandi ko do be filika fo nyino wati folot so mol meta fola janne ko do tapale yalle be kere afelende biara roma mbete no Gambia si lolu man betea karamulu man betea agriculture man betea fente Gambia be sapuno la minete be siso konkono la min barimtel Gambianol bi Gambianol ka Ibrahima Tarawale le kela profile pichoti Gambianol ka Ibrahima Tarawale le kela profile pichoti wallahi itita bukune faso warata nyaawo mo siata nyaawo nya ite hani mo kili njaraje mimbe Adama Barrow kela la profile pichoti barintel ka modol ka Ibrahima Tarawale muna nay ka Ibrahima because Ibrahima Tarawale felen da nata sa sabe munela Ibrahima Tarawale hanabe sila to ko abe bungol lo ka woman ko radi minister la de woy bungol le lo ka laftale Burkina Faso di wodi ifanale roof sort of over their head barkana prime area solta ka be tala minister lu tema ka kordalta ka di député wala he Gambia nyanta mira la de ibe nyilu joka nyin jo kendol itel so korda soto nole bartikal haynanje wol buka korda soto no sol haynanje buka korda soto polisol haynanje buka korda soto militairol haynanje buka korda soto ora junior civil servant buka korda soto no ika korda chika ika di minister ika korda chika ika di député wol ika korda chika ika di tela political party molula ñine yanda ka keba well ala baraka baake ntela famille folale wolom ñindi ala nganna député wol engage hani ite bota tundo minto ila député o dukara lim be nge engage thank you sister general alim be nge be engage alinge engage nimme engage ntelebe monel look modol kante kol he Musa albuka bata alba katakan nta mantra katakan ba katakan kungole nkungo ngadia mo mimbe pour nkungolo because ni Gambia man kana nte be kana no la nyaadi mbe felenti jam ni fano keta luwolu ite ka jubele mo jellebe ala kolu sambala ne te kan ite me fan sambano ila kol be man tara timari ibe mun ke no la modoye aka atinna badin ku ya fon be siare because i camera la ko karbe jaw ya kan ama laf kam ma koy ya tara wonte that kari fanan amman tara soto kay tay mi mira well ala baraka baake nal tentu ngal jay ngolo ko ro min so man dal sina pour na ñim faali bor nu nga ku woku lonje janni wularo fanan mbe fintilale za kacha ne ala yembe ni o siala mbe député wol dol kumandi la le ke nyinin ka mun kula mu keta koteke ani mun lebe kere son sa jube dron tumando ala bende malale alama ala nyim banko kana wallahi alama ala nyim banko kana alngam fangol jube de ko mu misilmol le alngam na misilme ya jube mun ya tinna we are going through all these things alngam fangol korosi ntede nga fala ashhadu an la ilaha illallah ashhadu anna muhammadar rasulullah andum ala ende man nasal watu lulol ngawol kele ni sunkaro sida ngawo sunne yo bari mbe min folali nte banko kan constitutional le bije sariante la banko kan constitutional le bije so ndebe kala opposition tile mbe president oppose la ni o man dia miye ite si Saudi Arabia de nene jumal nene nyaay moje ko Saudi Arabia passeport lo be nyimbula mambo Saudi Arabia yalo nyin ustasol kana mol nene wolunga imam Fati moyle Abdullah Fati anin kebu chamla kumo fatatal Ablaye Fati e minfo ako mune dalila ba tinan la mol miliyalon ko benna fengol tinyala e benna nafulo be tinyala pour ngam ngol nin singol be ta ngawdi wala ka te kala nyante o post la Ablaye Fati yoro so to gambian ko kebu cham ndema la ta 40 mun toleto bi ata kebu cham le ka ala moto mala ka ta fu baro no kam man kunda akoy nyanta min kunkundula but say me en jakal Baro is the president kebu ko mo manyana oppose bari birim Baro binala kebu ko Baro mu kafirolete ako because Baro ko nyanda ka kundule because Baro be president wala oppose ka say mo nata nin kafir yala muna nete be fa sala bi ala baraka bak ngal tentu ngal jay